Hello all. In this video, we will be learning about the business model canvas of the organization Microsoft. So this is Radhika working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering at SNS College of Technology. So this business model canvas of the organization has been divided into various parts. One is the customer segment, value proposition, channel, customer relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities which are performed in the organization, key partnerships, revenue streams for the organization, and the advantage, competitive advantage. So, uh, who is using this software? When we research or when we analyze the main application of the usage of the software or the operating system is the individuals. There are several types. Individuals, they use Microsoft applications, Office, and it is being used in the business field, IT industry, enterprises, industries, government sectors, and educators they are using, and even in educational institutions they use it for the students in laboratories, and they gamers they develop some games also. So gaming best example is Xbox. So Xbox is an application where we can connect the Xbox to the PC. So it is kind of a gaming application. So value proposition means where we using this, who is using, what is the solution, that is called as value proposition. Reliable software solutions are there when we use the Microsoft Office, Microsoft Windows, or the OS. So this organization is developing the operating system, mainly Windows 11 and Windows 10. When we get into the best example for games, it has been used in games also. Best example for gamers, Halo Infinite is a game. Forza Horizon is a game. So softwares are developed and applications are also developed. Microsoft Office is the main product of Microsoft organization. So in Microsoft Office, we are very familiar with MS Word, Microsoft Word, MS Excel. Word is mainly used for documentation purpose. Excel is used for formula purpose, calculation purpose, storage of data in excess amount. That is where we will be using Excel operation. Excel, MS Excel. MS PowerPoint for presentations we will be using, and MS Outlook for communicating with others. It's like email. And MS OneNote is also there. MS OneNote, as we have an application called Note in the mobile phone. So we have digital MS, digital OneNote, which is used for storage of data. We can store and keep it as like Notepad. Uh, so these are several applications, and cloud applications include OneDrive, where we can store the documents. Google Drive we have, so where we can OneDrive is belongs to Microsoft. So where we will be storing the photos and the documents. So Visual Studios are mainly used for developing the applications and the softwares. Azure AI is also one of the important part of Microsoft. So Azure AI purpose is like developing the machine learning, enhancing machine learning in artificial intelligence. So that is the main purpose of Azure AI. SharePoint, when we see, SharePoint is mainly used for communicating or transfer of documents in intranet inside the organization. So that is the main purpose. So we have app stores, we have Microsoft stores where we can download those apps. We have subscriptions. We use Netflix, Amazon. Likewise, we have subscriptions in Microsoft also. Microsoft Store can be used, and Microsoft applications will be there, and we can download it either free or off cost. So these are the online platforms. And one more thing is like Microsoft Teams we have, where we can communicate with the students, or we can communicate with the colleagues. We can conduct meetings, we can conduct online classes, or we can even record the live sessions, which is not available in Google Meet or in other applications, Zoom meeting applications. We can record the meetings. We can transfer the documents, images, and files can be transferred using uh, Teams, Microsoft Teams. So hardware products are also developed and software products are also developed using Microsoft uh, Office, Microsoft organization it specifically. So these are the main things developed by the organization. Hardware things like hardware sales are also there. Cloud services we discussed, and Xbox consoles. When we develop games, we have to provide with consoles also. That is also available. The hardware products developed by Microsoft is Intel, Dell, and HP. These belongs to hardware. So the main competition are like Amazon, Google, and Apple. These are the main competitors. I hope you would have learned from the BMC video of Microsoft. Thank you for watching.